Welcome to the CGS Vinyl Application video, Dry Installation Method. For this method, you will need a measuring tape, level, glass cleaner, masking tape, and a squeegee. Let's get started. Using the glass cleaner, be sure to have a clean surface. With masking tape, place the graphic on the surface. Take your measuring tape and adjust placement accordingly. After making final adjustments, use the level to ensure the graphic is indeed placed correctly. Once that is complete, add a strip of masking tape to the top of your graphic. Use this strip as a hinge while keeping the graphic away from the window, then slowly remove transfer tape. Once the transfer tape is removed, keep the image parallel to the surface and use the opposite hand to squeegee and apply from top to bottom. Finally, at an angle, slowly remove the mask. That's it! You've successfully installed your vinyl graphic. Thanks for watching.